Okay, now you are going to need 2 pounds of shredded cooked chicken, 2 cups of shredded cabbage and carrots or any vegetables of your choice. I just used a bag of coleslaw, 1 tablespoon of flour and water mixed together, that's it on the bottom left, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger, and lastly 2 tablespoons of olive oil divided. And our key ingredients: Lawry seasoned salt and garlic salt. Now the first thing we're going to do is pour the 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pan on medium-high heat. And once that gets hot, we're going to dump in our 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and mix that in with the oil. Then we're going to add in our chicken. Then we're going to grab our seasoned salt and sprinkle about 2 teaspoons into the chicken, and also grab our garlic salt and sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of that and mix it all together. We're going to go ahead and grab our soy sauce, our sesame oil, and the crushed ginger. And we're going to pour everything into the chicken. And you're going to want to mix all of that together with the chicken. Try to coat all of the chicken with those 3 ingredients that we just poured in there. I know it's difficult, and I'm working with 2 pounds of shredded chicken and a small pan, so don't be like me. Now this step right here is optional. I made a homemade sweet and sour sauce that I'm just drizzling over the top. If you have some sweet and sour sauce or some teriyaki sauce in your fridge, go ahead and just drizzle a little bit of that. I would say, if you need measurements, maybe about 1/4 of a cup. Drizzle that in, mix it well, and then we're going to set the chicken to the side. Now we're going to add in the other tablespoon of sesame oil to the pan. Now you're going to want to turn your heat down to about low-medium and toss in your veggies. And you're going to want to cook that for about a minute. I like my veggies to be kind of crunchy, so I don't like saute them. I just cook them, get them a little soft because I still like the crunch. Then we're going to set those to the side. Okay, now I have my chicken, my veggies, my water flour mixture, which is our paste, and I have 1 egg roll wrapper. What I'm showing you here is I had a little bit of my sweet and sour sauce on my spoon, so I just went ahead and mixed in the veggies to give it a little flavor. Now we're going to take about 3 tablespoons of chicken and place that into the center of our wrapper, about 2 tablespoons of veggies, and we're going to take our paste and add it to the furthest corner, like so. Okay, now to roll. You're going to take the corner closest to you and lay it over the mixture. Hold it in the center and fold over the sides one at a time. Be careful because these wrappers are super soft, super delicate. Hold tight and roll, and you kind of want to tuck as you roll. Use the paste mixture to seal and press it lightly. In our ingredients, but I will add it to the description box. We need about 1/3 of a cup of oil and heat that up, medium-high heat, I used olive oil, but you can use vegetable oil or canola oil or whatever. Once that gets hot, you're going to want to put your egg rolls in. Where we sealed them, put that face down so that the sealed part cooks first to hold the egg rolls in place. And you're going to turn and cook until all sides are golden brown. Now my 2 pounds of chicken made about 12 egg rolls. I did have a little bit of chicken left over, but if you do not want that many egg rolls, I recommend using only a pound of chicken. That will get you about 6 to 8 egg rolls. But once they're done, go ahead and set them on a paper towel to drain that oil. I also made a very, very good sweet and sour sauce to go with this. If you guys would like me to upload that video, please comment and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.